It's a 2009 Acura TSX. Driven by those who know the best way to get from point A to point B isn't always a straight line. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2 inch wider track. Luxury, performance, Acura. Take it for a test drive today. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.